I faced the exact same frustrating visual problem in Apex Legends, spending countless hours trying different approaches until I discovered multiple reliable solutions. Now I'm going to share these effective methods with you, ensuring you can finally fix Apex Legends' flashing white lights glitch for good. First, updating your graphics drivers is super important. Think of your graphics card as needing the latest instruction book to talk to the game properly. If that book is old, your computer might not understand how to show the game's pictures right, leading to those annoying flashes. Getting the newest driver means your graphics card speaks the correct language for the game, making everything look smooth and stable. Next, checking your game files for damage is key. Sometimes, during downloads or updates, parts of the game can get corrupted or go missing. This is like a puzzle missing a few pieces. The overall picture won't be complete. Verifying the game's integrity makes sure all the puzzle pieces are there and fit perfectly, stopping glitches from bad data. Another common fix involves turning off overlays, especially from apps like Discord. These overlays draw extra things on top of your game screen while you play. Sometimes these extra drawings can actually fight with the game's own display process. Removing the overlay takes away this potential fight, letting the game display without any interference or visual hiccups. Finally, adjusting your in-game graphics settings can make a big difference. When your computer tries to show really fancy, high-quality graphics, it has to work very hard. If it's working too hard, it can get confused and start showing visual anomalies like flashing lights. Lowering settings such as texture, quality, or turning off VSync reduces this heavy workload, helping your graphics card keep up and show the game clearly without any flickering or unexpected white flashes.